Aries, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection at prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay. Aries, anong ganap this week for you? So this is your overall energy, 7 of Cups. Your challenge is the Hanged Man. And your opportunity is the 6 of Wands. And your blessing is the Knave of Cups. Okay, 7 of Cups energy. May confusion, maaring marami kayong ginagawa or gagawin ngayong week na to. Parang hindi ka na magkanda o gaga. Oo, marami kang kailangang haraping mga tao, pakisamahan. Marami ka rin kailangang gawing trabaho. So, nagsama-sama na, naghalo-halo na. Pag ganyan, syempre parang you get so confused on how or paano mo haharapin yan at alin yung uunahin mo. Okay? So, kailangan lang is time management. Ayan. What is this? You have the 7 of Swords. Puro dalawang 7 ito. 7 kasi is about parang kung ano yung dating okay, dating balance sa'yo. Medyo disrupted dahil may mga bagong pumapasok, may mga bagong nangyayari. Oo. So, kailangan dito time management. Yung iba naman, pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng trust issue sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Parang yung sinasabi nila is hindi nag-align sa ginagawa nila. So, parang iniisip mo, ano ba talaga, no? Totoo ba talaga to? Nagsasabi ba talaga to ng totoo? Kailangan ko ba tong pagkatiwalaan? So, if you feel like medyo alanganin yung sinasabi ng isang tao sa'yo, or even the situation itself, it doesn't add up. So, ibig sabihin nun, kailangan mong i-reassess yung sarili mo if you want to stay in that situation. So, yung challenge mo is the Hanged Man. Nahihirapan ka rin na magkaroon ng sarili mong time. Time mo para sa sarili mo. Kailangan dito ng self-reflection. You have the 8 of Swords. Yes. I think may mga taong yung parang nakikialam sa mga plano mo, mga gusto mong gawin. And also, syempre kapag maraming nakapaligid sa'yo na nakikialam, medyo doon ka nahihirapan ano yung gagawin mo kasi iba't ibang opinion yan 'di ba? So, you have the opportunity to become victorious. So, kumbaga, kaya mo mapagtagumpayan whatever the challenges na kaharapin mo ngayong week na to with the help of someone na you love or someone who has always been very supportive of you. Kasi meron pa rin talagang taong nagmamahal sa'yo, nakasuporta sa'yo. So, don't you worry. And then, you have the Knave of Cups as your blessing. And the 9 of Swords. So, I think as a blessing, yung iba sa inyo kung nagkakaroon kayo ng challenges sa pagtulog nung mga nakaraan, itong week na to kahit na magiging busy, may time pa rin kayo na makatulog ng maayos. And yung iba, iba blessing in disguise. Kung mapupuyat ka man, it's for a good reason. Kasi pwedeng nagiging maganda yung takbo ng business mo, ng project mo, or marami kang ginagawa na nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, nagbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment. So, kumbaga, okay lang na mapagod. Kasi masaya ka naman sa ginagawa mo. Okay, so let's see what else. Aries. You have birdcage. Yung iba talaga may limitations. Oo, parang gusto nyong umalis, lumabas, pero hindi nyo magawa. Some of you will also pay attention to your health, no, sa kalusugan ninyo, especially in becoming fit. Iba, magsisimula na kayong magsisimula or ipagpapatuloy nyo yung inyong pag-exercise. Ayan. And also, ito rin yung pagbibigay ng oras at panahon sa sarili mo na mag-enjoy. Ayan o, connecting with others in authentic way. Tingnan natin yung sa money. Money, career, finances for Aries. Oh, just do it. If you have plans, yung procrastination kasi, yan yung parang hindi pinagpapaliban mo yung mga bagay na dapat mo nang gawin. That will help improve your finances and your career. So you're very charming, gamitin mo yan to your advantage. And pagdating rin sa finances, no, sa career mo na gusto mo pang ma-achieve, mas makakabuti na ngayon pa lang inaalam mo na kung ano yung mga goals mo. Para by next year, ready ka na. Alam mo na what you want. Kumbaga, just do it. Sa love naman, past life. So, meron talagang energy rito ng person from the past. Maaring you are dealing with a karmic connection. Very passionate, pero maraming challenges. Difficult to maintain. I also see some of you this week, yung parang, kahit na mahirap yung naging relationship ninyo in the past, parang gusto nyo pa rin na makipagbalikan or makipag-ayos doon. So, syempre, nasa sa inyo pa rin yan if you want to be in the same situation. Kung ito ay medyo naging toxic, stressful, most likely, ganun pa rin yung ma-experience ninyo. So, I think it's time for you to manifest a new person in your life if you are ready. But kung hindi man, this is about manifesting good things in your romantic life, whether may karelasyon ka o wala, as long as you are happy from within, 'di ba? Deep within you. Tapos lang self-worth. Oh, this is your self-care message. Yes, why settle for crumbs when you deserve a whole meal? O yun nga, bakit ka daw magtsatsaga sa tira-tira? Na ang dinideserve mo naman is yung main course, yung main meal. 'Di ba? So, this is a message for you na pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo, practice self-love, self-care, know your worth. If things are toxic sa paligid mo, or alam mo na hindi mo dinideserve yung trabaho na yan, yung toxic na environment na yan, yung relationship na yan, connections na yan, then you can leave that situation. Do it for yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.